In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a PC with Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do is open up settings on your computer. The way you do this is by going down here to the search bar and typing in settings and then clicking on them, okay? And then once this opens up, you simply want to click on system here on the left, and that's exactly what you will see. Then you want to navigate down here and look for recovery. Now, as you can see, I have it over here somewhere in the middle. You want to press this, and then over here under recovery options, it says reset this PC, which actually means where you can choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows, which is basically a factory reset of your PC with Windows 11. Then what you want to do is click reset PC over here, and then you will have two options, whether you want to keep your files, which will remove apps and settings but keep your personal files, or if you want to remove everything, which will remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. And then once you select that, you can go through the simple procedure and your computer will get a few things ready, and then you will simply have to press a button saying reset, and your computer will automatically factory reset, and that's it.